Step into a captivating video tour featuring 8 luxurious living room interiors that stand the test of time. These spaces radiate classic sophistication, harmoniously blending opulent textures, refined furnishings, and intricate details. Thus, the color palette employed exudes warmth, creating an ambiance of opulence and comfort. Carefully selected decor pieces and artistry add a touch of curated grandeur. What truly sets these interiors apart is their ability to seamlessly unite traditional craftsmanship with contemporary allure, resulting in an ambience that is both timeless and current. Hit the likes button and subscribe to our channel to join our community of design enthusiasts. These designs wield the power of white, with pristine walls and even white sofas creating an ambience of light and freshness. However, it's the luxurious textures of fabrics, the exquisite decorative pillows, the solid wood bases of sofas and armchairs, and the tasteful table lamps that usher in a sense of opulence. Every detail and decor element has been thoughtfully curated, offering a feast for the senses that complements the timeless sophistication of the space.